Are you being overwhelmed with all the AI tools and everything is getting so fast? I personally am overwhelmed because as an entrepreneur, I have been adjusting my life, myself, into the life that is constantly changing around me. And you might be feeling the same way. Which AI tool should you use? What to do with it? Should I use it or not? Remember, there is no should on you, so don't should on you. But still, you might need to consider applying AI tools in your business as an entrepreneur, as a content creator, as a speaker, as the authentic version of you. But how you can stay in your authentic voice? That's what we're going to delve in today's video. How to still apply AI tools but stay in your truth. If you're an entrepreneur, speaker, and or a coach, this video is for you. If you want to use the right AI tools and still stay in your authentic version. Staying authentic in an AI-driven world. We are going to focus on more how to stay in your authentic version in this video. And the next week's video, I will share what AI tools I use for my business, for myself, and you might consider applying those into your own business if it works for you. AI is changing everything. Thank you for the reminder. I didn't sip from my coffee. AI is changing everything. Content creation, entrepreneurship, and even how we connect with people. Crazy, right? It's overwhelming. Let's accept it. Let's accept the fact that there is a new tool every single day, maybe like every second they invent a new tool, which is great that we can learn and adapt it into our life and business. But at the same time, it's getting harder to keep up with all the trends. So I feel you. And I'm going to share my journey around AI. Every day, there's a new tool, new trend, another must-do strategy. How do we as entrepreneurs and content creators stay relevant while being authentically ourselves? That's exactly what we are going to diving into today. So if you have been around enough time that you know I have built my brand on authenticity. Authenticity is my biggest value. From moving countries, pivoting careers, growing my coaching and speaking business, to now running a YouTube channel since last year. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I have a goal to reach highest numbers, but I need to hit 500. Please do subscribe and thank you for that. My entire journey as an entrepreneur, as a woman, has been about adapting to change while staying true to my message. And now, with AI evolving fast, it feels like we are in another wave of transformation. AI can generate content in seconds, automate marketing, and completely change the way we work. It's exciting, but it also brings a big question. How do we embrace these tools without losing who we are and what we stand for? Our authentic version. I know a lot of entrepreneurs, content creators, maybe you're one of them, worry about AI might replace real human connection. The truth is, AI can be a very powerful tool. I accept that. It's been a while that I had to accept it, and you need to accept that as well if you haven't already. But it can't replace your voice, your story, your brand, your unique perspective. I personally use AI for brainstorming, editing and repurposing the content. It helps me work smarter, but it doesn't replace the essence of my brand and my energy. The warmth in my words, the energy in my videos, the real life experiences I share, either here on video with you or wherever I go to speak or to my clients, that cannot be replaced. So, how do we navigate this balance? I'll share 4 tips with you. First, use AI as a tool, not a replacement. Let it enhance your creativity, but don't let it take over. For example, use AI to have a brainstorm for your content or your speech, but don't copy and paste it on your social media channels. Or don't just copy and paste the speaking script and use it as your speech. Take what you like, edit it with your own words, and create something that is unique for you. Second, inject personality into everything you do. AI might suggest ideas, but only you can bring the emotion, the depth, and the real life connection to your content. Third one, stay visible and relatable. Show your face, share your journey like I'm sharing with you. I am sharing with you as honest as I could be that I do not love the AI changes because I need to learn a lot of things and adapt my business myself into that new trend, and also need to teach it to my clients and also use it in my business to help my clients. So it's a lot to change. It's a lot to take in. And that's how the growth comes from the uncomfortable situation to your up level. Keep the human connection alive. That's what I would say about the third tip. And last, I would say adapt, but stay rooted. Trends change, tech evolves, but your mission, the reason you started, your why, which I talk a lot about in this channel, should always stay clear. Always. This is the only space you can use should. You should have your why. You really have to have your why. Why you wake up today? What made you decide to do what you're doing today? What made you who you are today? Why? Think about it. So, my friend, pain is real, struggle is real, AI is real. AI is a part of our world and it's going to be more and more. So, AI is here to stay, but one thing remains the same: people connect with people. There's always going to be people interaction, human connection, energy exchange. That is not going to change. We always seek that human validation and human connection. Do not forget this. And I'm saying this hoping that AI won't take it over from us. AI is powerful. We accepted it, but your energy, your authenticity, your power, what makes your brand, what you do, unforgettable. Now I want to hear from you. How are you using AI in your business? Have you started using it? What tools you're using? How you're liking it? What your struggle around? Share it in your comments. And if you're curious about more tips on entrepreneurship, I shared my 10 facts I learned that I wish I knew in my 20s. Click this video and get into it. I'll see you next week when I share my AI tools.